New leaks have just revealed the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 and Samsung Galaxy A37 in stunning high-resolution images, and they are already creating a lot of buzz. Samsung's A series has been one of the most popular smartphone lineups in recent years, and these new devices look ready to continue that success. However, this time, the changes seem more refined rather than revolutionary. Starting with the design, both phones look very similar to their predecessors. Samsung is clearly sticking with a familiar and clean design language that users already like. The Samsung Galaxy A37 will reportedly come in attractive colors like Awesome Lavender, Awesome Gray-Green, and Awesome Charcoal. These colors give the phone a fresh and modern look, even though the overall design remains mostly unchanged. The biggest highlight of the Galaxy A37 is its camera upgrade. According to leaks, it will feature a larger 50-megapixel primary sensor, which is a noticeable improvement compared to the previous model. This could result in better low-light photography and improved overall image quality. However, the rest of the camera setup remains the same, including an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera. On the front, there is a 12-megapixel selfie camera, which should deliver decent performance for video calls and selfies. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A37 is expected to be powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset. This processor should offer solid mid-range performance, making it suitable for everyday tasks like social media, streaming, and light gaming. The phone will likely come with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, along with 128GB or 256GB of storage. This combination should be more than enough for most users, especially those who want a smooth experience without spending flagship-level money. Moving on to the Samsung Galaxy A57, this device sits slightly higher in Samsung's lineup and offers a bit more power and premium features. It will reportedly be available in colors like Awesome Icy Blue, Awesome Lilac, Awesome Gray, and Awesome Navy. Just like the A37, the design remains very similar to its predecessor, which shows that Samsung is focusing more on internal upgrades rather than major visual changes. The Galaxy A57 features a triple camera system, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. There is also a 12-megapixel front camera for selfies. While these numbers may not seem groundbreaking, Samsung has been known to optimize its camera software very well, so the real-world performance could still be impressive. One of the key upgrades in the Galaxy A57 is the new Exynos 1680 chipset. This processor is expected to deliver better performance and efficiency compared to its predecessor. Whether it's multitasking, gaming, or daily usage, the A57 should feel faster and more responsive. Similar to the A37, it will likely be available with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. Both the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 are expected to feature the same 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means users can expect smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and a great viewing experience whether watching videos or playing games. The display is one of the strongest aspects of Samsung phones, and these devices are likely to continue that tradition. Battery life is another important area, and both phones are rumored to come with a 5,000 mAh battery. This should easily last a full day on a single charge for most users. On top of that, 4.5W fast charging support is expected, which means the devices can be charged quickly when needed. On the software side, both phones will likely run Android 16 out of the box with One UI 8.5 on top. Samsung has also been improving its software update policy, and these devices are expected to receive up to 6 years of major updates. This is a huge advantage, especially in the mid-range segment, as it ensures long-term usability and security. Now comes the most important factor, which is the price. While official pricing has not been confirmed yet, rumors suggest that Samsung might keep the same pricing strategy as last year. The previous models were launched at around $399 for the base variant and $499 for the higher model. If Samsung manages to keep similar prices, both the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 could become very strong contenders in the mid-range market. This also brings up an interesting comparison with flagship devices like the Samsung Galaxy S26. With flagship prices going higher every year and sometimes offering only small upgrades, mid-range phones like these are becoming more appealing. For many users, spending almost double the price on a flagship device may not feel worth it anymore. In fact, strong A-series devices could even impact Samsung's own flagship sales. When a mid-range phone offers a great display, solid performance, good cameras, and long software support, the difference between mid-range and flagship starts to shrink for everyday users. Overall, the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 appear to be solid upgrades, even if they are not dramatically different from their predecessors. Samsung is clearly focusing on refining what already works instead of making risky changes. Better performance, improved cameras, and reliable battery life make these devices very appealing for a wide audience. Now the final decision will come down to pricing. If Samsung gets that right, these phones could easily become some of the best-selling devices of the year. What are your thoughts on these new leaks? Would a mid-range phone like the Galaxy A57 be the better choice? Or is a flagship still the way to go? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech updates.